Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive verify data from Advantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
Healthy, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes. I'm in Austria, 43 years old. I have two children, 21 and 14 years old. I'm separated, but I have a live-in partner.
Okay, I
I
need to know some few more details from you first. When is your birthday?
January 8, 1982.
What is your height and your weight?
Five, five. My weight, ma'am, is five. My weight is 55 and my height is 5.
What is your religion?
Catholic, ma'am.
What about your educational background?
College, ma'am.
College level or college graduate?
Graduate, ma'am.
What is your course?
Accountancy, ma'am. BS accountancy.
Accountancy. Okay, is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of your kids once you come to work here in Malaysia?
My mother-in-law.
Okay, how old is your mother-in-law and what is her occupation?
70 years old, ma'am. Just in home, ma'am.
You mentioned that you got live-in partner. How old is your live-in partner and what is his occupation?
45 years old and he is a collector.
Did he allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't have any problem later.
Yes, ma'am. No. No.
According to your profile, it was stated that you have a working experience in Kuwait way back 2022 to 2024.
Yes, ma'am.
You finish your contract. Can you share it with me? What are your responsibilities to your previous employment in Kuwait?
My duties and responsibilities are cooking, cleaning, iron, washing, and taking care of the children, ma'am.
How old are those children that you take care?
21, 17, 15, 14, 13, and 9, ma'am.
So you assisting taking care of these children. Go to school, preparing their clothes, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what happened? Why you didn't continue working with this employer?
I try to another country, ma'am.
Okay, after 2004 until recently, you are a full-time mother.
I work in Saudi, ma'am.
Saudi also. How many years you work there?
Only 7 months, ma'am.
What month and year did you started and what month and year did you ended?
December 2024 up to July 2024, 2025, ma'am.
What happened when you worked there for 7 months only?
My employer migrate to other country for good, ma'am.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties to your previous employment in KSA?
My duties, ma'am, cooking and cleaning, ironing and washing, ma'am.
That's all?
Yes, ma'am.
You didn't take care any children or elderly?
No children, ma'am.
Okay. So you were going to sign a 2 years contract, same like what you did in Kuwait and KSA. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Terminating of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
But I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia. Malaysia and Middle East is quite different, yeah? Malaysia here, they are very particular when it comes of cleanliness, okay? Houses here is no joke, it's quite big. So you need to get ready yourself because you might experience some things that you didn't experience in Middle East. Are you
Yes,
ready for any task that the employer will be given to you?
yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you know how to cook?
Arabic cook. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so Arabic foods, but you can willing to learn some new recipes.
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn.
Okay, are you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, ma'am.
As I have mentioned many times, you will going to sign a 2 years contract, yeah? Usage of mobile handphone, you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold your phone during nighttime only. After you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will break, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, ma'am.
We don't force people to come here. It's either you agree or you disagree. If you agree, you can come work properly. But if you disagree, it's fine also. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you fight your homesickness?
I'm focused to my work, ma'am.
Focus to your work.
Yes.
Always remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad, because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your children at the same time. In
Yes, ma'am.
Philippines, you can be the boss there, you can do whatever you want, but don't bring it here in Malaysia. Okay?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
need to humble ourselves, we need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer, and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems or any concerns, inform your employer, because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I give you a scenario. What will you do if the employer keep on following you, like inside the house, wherever you go or whatever you're doing inside the house, employer keep on following you? What will you do?
Ma'am?
What will you do? I will give you a scenario, okay? Like for example, employer keep on following you. Like every time you go to this place inside the house, the employer was there looking what you are doing. What will you do?
I'll do my work good, ma'am. So my employer not disappoint
So
on
you
me.
will not get annoyed that the employer is following you?
No, ma'am. It's okay, ma'am.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, one more. Employers called you and get angry with you, but you didn't do anything wrong. What will you do?
I will accept my wrongdoing, ma'am.
Even you didn't do anything wrong.
If I'm in right, ma'am, I will told my mom that the truth.
Okay. I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure, you, Mila. It was my pleasure meeting you, Mila. But please stay connected through WhatsApp, because Global Ace agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you so much and have a good day. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay.